Watch me close a motivated seller live and get a price commitment right on the phone on the first call. What's up, guys? Zach in here, and in today's video, I break down a live call I did on one of my Zillow for sale owner live streams. This is a live stream I did. It's a live call, and you're going to watch me actually get a price commitment from the seller and be able to lock up a very tough wholesaling real estate deal for success with cold calling. I'm going to show you exactly the right way to you should be cold calling and getting price commitments from your sellers for locking up virtual wholesaling deals. Guys, before I get into it, remember, you need to smash that like button and subscribe, get the most free value from me, and let's get in the video.
Hello.
Hello, hi. Is this the owner of 6930 River Road Pike?
Yes.
Hello, hi. This is Zach. I'm looking to buy the property. Is this a good time to talk?
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I just had a couple questions about it. I'm looking at the ad here on Zillow, and I'm sort of looking here, and uh, what I can see here is, I mean, it's I don't have a lot of info on it. I mean, can you tell me a little bit about it? I see the year built here, but kind of curious on it.
Okay. Well, the deal on that, I've had it for 12 years. I bought it for my son in hopes that he would help me renovate it. I live around the corner. He's, graduated from college, moved to North Carolina, wants to sell it and invest where he lives in North Carolina.
Hmm.
It's basically a 2-room, 1899 home.
Wow.
That the back has been torn off of it. No one's lived in it. I got it from the original family. I ran a 3/4 PEX line from the street. It's coiled up under the crawl space. There's an electric line going to the house, but there's no electric. So it's a full renovation. I didn't tear it down because it's just easier to build without a new building permit. If you have a foundation or a footprint, you have less building restrictions.
Yeah. Okay. So, do you think it's like the foundation's that messed up on it, where it just got to be a tear down, or like is it salvageable? I'm just trying to think of.
Well, hey, it's been there for 100 years, so or more. There's some rock and cedar posts. So, I renovate houses. All right, that's what I've done for 30 years, and I work with recycled material, and for me, it's doable. I wouldn't tear it down.
Okay.
For the reason of I hate dealing with metro codes.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah. That makes two.
So basically, I was going to do it without any permits.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And I see here it's on around an acre of land. So can you tell me kind of about that acre? Is it like good for farmland? What is it zoned for? I mean, what's the situation with that?
The zoning, I'm not sure what the zoning is. I know, you could put a house on it, but I tell you what, this is really close to Charlotte, and they're coming my way, building a lot of apartments and multi-dwellings. There's the 3-acre property that just sold across from the boat dock, the Commodore. Are you familiar with the area? Are you in town, or?
I'm not really kind of close to downtown Nashville. No, my partners are. I'm kind of calling around there for some opportunities for us. I've been in downtown Nashville a couple times, but not originally from there.
Well, this is about 10 minutes west.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Of downtown.
Oh, okay.
So the land itself is, I'm going to say 3/4 wooded. there's like a bamboo grove.
Okay.
It's like a triangle. The widest part of the property is the road frontage.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what does the interior of the property look like?
Interior of the house.
Yes.
Well, the 2 rooms. You know, it's like a tongue and groove heartwood. You know, interior. The ceiling, the walls, they're all the tongue and groove wood.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I'm just trying to understand what, and I'm guessing it'd need a new roof too.
Well, you know, if you're going to redo this, you'd be working off the back to build a, you know, your bath, kitchen, bedroom off the back. And what I was going to do was build all that and go to the ridge of the original house. So by doing that, you would be roofing the whole back part of it. I put a new roof on it when I first bought it 12 years ago.
Oh wow.
Because it had, you know, an open holes in the roof, and you know, it's just a property that was degrading rapidly because no one was taking care of it.
Okay. And roughly here, I see on the listing, it says around 1,100 square feet. Is that right on like the square footage on it?
No.
No.
No, I'm going to say the rooms are 12 by 12.
Oh.
2 rooms, 12 by 12. I'm thinking.
Okay.
But it's, you know, it's a build out full renovation project.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not a go in and do a little fixer upping. Okay.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, it's a build up home, you know, and big time selling for the property, you know, pull up an acre of land in that area and see what you come up with. First of all, you're not going to be able to find anything. And if you do, it's going to be pretty expensive.
Yeah.
You know. But the good thing about this, it's close to everything. It's secluded. The neighbors, they have land, and they sit way back off the road. So, you know, you just got kind of like a country setting close to anything you want to do, and restaurant, shopping, you know.
Yeah.
It's all within a mile. Within a mile, 2 miles, you have everything you would want. And then it's 10 minutes downtown Nashville.
Okay. And when I'm trying, go ahead.
No, the west side of Nashville is really pricey, you know.
Yeah.
And that's the west side.
Okay. And what was your name? I don't think I caught your name there.
Ron.
Juan?
R-O-N, Ron.
Oh, Ron. Okay. All right, Ron. Okay. Well, I'm trying to see here. And my one just thought about this is I see 1.3 acres here. I'm trying to understand. Is this like, I'm looking at the satellite possibly on here. Is that mostly wooded acres? Like wooded land?
Yeah, I'm going to say 3/4 wooded.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm just trying to calculate what it would cost to clear that, because I'm trying to see comparables of like the land, but I mean, that's kind of cleared land. I think you're kind of talking about that. So there'd be a cost if I had to, I wouldn't want to bulldoze that property if I could salvage it, but the cost of kind of clearing all that land and seeing what I could do to make it work, maybe for a rental, if I could potentially split the lot. I mean, well, the problem is it'd be hard to kind of connect a road there. So trying to think, I mean, do you have any thoughts of like what you would do if you had the money, or, you know, a partner to go in there? and make the best use of it?
Yeah, I was just going to build off to the back of the original structure with a bath, bedroom, and a kitchen.
Okay. All right. So here's my problem here. I'm just trying to calculate it. I mean, I think you're pretty spot on with the number here. The only issue is I just don't think I'm accounting, or it's accounting for the cost of basically clearing that land and really doing the full renovation it needs. Because I mean, most of these houses near here are like 3 bedroom, 2 baths. I can see. I mean, 1899 is kind of, it's going to need the works on there. So, uh, is there like a new AC system in there? Like what's? I'm just trying to see if I'm missing something here.
Well, I don't know why you need to go clear the land. I mean, it's a beautiful setting, a wooded setting. For most people, it's desirable, you know?
Yeah, but I mean, as you say, if you're trying to sell it to a developer or something, that they would want it like that. I mean, the land would just be more valuable, especially when you kind of look at the comps on it. Or I would have to put that cost on there. So that's kind of what I'm seeing here.
Well, you know, it's personal preference what anyone wants to do with it.
Yeah.
But, you know, I'm getting ready to knock it down to 190. I've got it for 199.
Okay. All right. Well, I mean, here's my issue here, Ron. I'm kind of seeing it. It's been listed for quite a while, almost, I mean, a quarter of the year.
Yeah, then I'm in no hurry to sell it, to tell you the truth.
I
It's in my name, and it's my son that wants, you know, it's for him, but he has to go with my lead, and I'm not going to really take any logo offers or anything. I've had it for 12 years. Nashville's a very strong, you know, real estate market, and so there you have it.
Okay. Here's my issue here, Ron. I know you're willing to knock it down to 190. I mean, I see it's listed at 220, 4 months ago. I don't want to be that person, that offered you below that 190, and then you say no, and then eventually in 4 more months it's going to be knocked down to that price. So I was just wondering what number would actually work for you. Just make this work. I can just buy it from you cash, and I can kind of do what I need to do on the property to make it work for my numbers and for my partners. I was just wondering, what's the actual price? At the end of the day, no more games, no more price cuts, just like a number that actually works. 180. Okay.
180, because I'm getting ready to go. I spend the winter in South America. So at the end of the year, I'm taking off the market. If I don't get a buyer, and I'm going to put it back on in the spring, when I'll start at 200 in the spring.
Mm. Okay. So I can get your price commitment today at 180 for the house if I was going to buy it?
Yeah, we can make a deal with that.
Okay, perfect. All right, Ron, that actually might work. The last thing I'd have to do, obviously, is go look at the property, probably with my partner. But before I can, put pen to paper, I obviously have to look at it. $18.99. We just can't do it over the phone. I mean, I'm kind of old school like that, but obviously I'd have to put eyes on it. That's the reason why you and me invest in real estate, right? I mean, you can see it, touch it, feel it. So.
Oh yeah, I would never buy anything signed unseen.
Yeah. So I kind of have an understanding of it. So what I'm going to do is probably talk to my partner and probably give you a call back, or if you can kind of tell me what times work for you to go by the property, look at it, and make a decision on that spot if I can commit to your commitment for that 180 on there, and see what we can do.
I live on the river right around the corner. So I'm really close by. I'm walking distance.
Okay. And do you have a boat?
Oh, I've had one over the years. But at this moment, I don't. Last summer, I sold my pontoon boat.
All right. How far of a ride is that from to downtown on the boat?
Oh, well, I'm not sure. It depends on how fast you go. But it's a beautiful drive. I've done it several times, but I haven't done like a straight full throttle trip. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I was just kind of curious.
But the Commodore Yacht Club, my street dead ends into the channel that feeds that Commodore Yacht Club boat dock.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, you're not familiar with that area?
I'm not too familiar. I've been to downtown a couple times. I don't know. I was just kind of curious how far of a drive that would be there. So, what I'll tell you, Ron, is let me look at it. Let me talk to my partners, and we'll give you a call back and see what we can do to kind of look at the property and go forward there. I'm serious about buying the property, so I appreciate your time, though.
Okay. I'll wait to hear back from you then.
All right. Have a blessed one, Ron. Thank you.
And what was your name?
Zach.
Zach. Okay, Zach. Have a good day.
Have a great one, Ron. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
$20,000. What else do you guys want from there? Like, come on. How does that not work for a Zillow for sale by owner? Like, come on. That's money. That's money right there. All right. Started at 220. He kept cutting it down. Guys, that is the line you have to be using for Zillow for sale by owners to get these wholesaling real estate deals. I'm telling you, cut $20K out of that. Got a price commitment. I asked for his price commitment from there, and boom, got it done, guys. Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.